Hi everyone, my name is Justina Guevara and today I'm going to be making some Dalgona coffee, which is a type of coffee that became really famous during the height of the pandemic. And Dalgona stands for sweet, foamy candy in Korea. So hopefully you guys will learn something and make one for yourselves. Enjoy! After obtaining all the ingredients, make sure to prepare and have them ready, and let's go ahead and get started. First, add 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. For a mocha flavor, you can add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, then mix them. Then add 1 teaspoon of sugar and mix them again. Add 1/4 cup of hot water and mix until all the solid particles get dissolved. In a new bowl, add 2 tablespoons of whipped cream. Then add 3 tablespoons of the mocha mixture to the whipped cream and mix it with a whisk or an electronic hand mixer. During this step, I also suggest that you taste the mixture and add any necessary ingredients to achieve the desired taste. Keep mixing until the cream is thick and fluffy. Then pour some milk into a glass, and if you want it to be colder, you can also add some ice cubes. Then scoop the mocha fluffy cream onto the glass of milk. And just try your best to cover the whole top. Lastly, for some garnish, you can sprinkle some cocoa powder on top or use the remaining mocha mixture as drizzle. And there you have it, Dalgona coffee. Thank you for watching!